సాక్షి ప్రేక్షకులకు ముందుగా దసరా పండుగ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈ పండుగ మనకు స్పెషల్. ఎందుకంటే మనతో ఉన్నారు మనసున్న మహారాజు. సో దసరా పండుగ రోజు మనసున్న మహారాజు, అలాగే సరిలేరు నీకెవరు అనే వీటన్నిటికి కూడా ఎవరు సూట్ అవుతారు, ముఖ్యంగా ఈ కరోనా కాలంలో అంటే మరెవరో కాదు, సోను సూద్ మనతో ప్రత్యేకంగా ఆయన సమయాన్ని మనకిచ్చారు. సో లెట్స్ టాక్ విత్ హిమ్. సార్ నమస్తే.
Thank you.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దసరా శుభాకాంక్షలు మీకు.
Same to you, yeah. Happy Dashera.
First of all, I'm feeling really happy like to meet a messiah of migrants. That's what you've been named of late.
No, I would say it's just the wishes of people that do the trick. We go out to help them, and the prayers of the parents, the families, they make everything happen. And I'm glad that after doing so many roles in different movies, I'm able to connect with the migrants, the main core heart of the country. So I feel blessed.
How do you see that, sir? Yeah, as you said that, many roles you happen to, everybody liked you. But besides that, more than as a film star, people now adore you, like whatever you're doing. That's not a small thing. But वो कहते हैं ना सर, जो भी जितना बड़ा भी एंतैना सरे तीस्तु बोते आइपोते. But how much you have, and you keep on donating, you keep on helping that, but what is the source that you would look for in future?
I would like to continue this thing forever till I don't know. The way I connected with a lot of people and all, and I feel they need me. They have faith in me. They feel that if we meet Sonu, their problems will get over. Here on the sets we are shooting, there are a lot of people who come from different parts of the country, Nellore and all, even Andhra Telangana. A lot of people drive for 400 kilometers to come for the problems, and somehow we get them solved. And whether it's medical problem or some education problem,
But
and
it's not that easy, no sir. Keep on going.
It's not easy, but I feel sometimes God choose you as a catalyst to do something right. I'm not doing it, but their wishes of the families is doing it. Yesterday we were there on the sets. There's a family who came who was the husband was severely suffering from heart attack, heart problems and all. So I'm just getting him treated somewhere, so his family will be fine. They were crying on the sets. So I feel there is a lot of pain in the society, but a lot of people need to come forward and help others, because there are less of helping hands and there are more of hands who need that support. So I need to balance that.
But sometimes that expectations are so huge that we may not be able to do, either it is as a circumstances or some other constraints. But how do you manage that?
The way there's a will, there's a way.
Sir.
I always believe that.
Sir.
The more you do, the more support system you get from God. I don't know how I'm doing it. I don't know how long I can continue it, but I have wished to continue till my last breath. Like when I was sending migrants back to their homes, I said, जब तक आखिरी migrant घर नहीं जाएगा, तब तक I will keep on sending them back. And till the last migrant went home, till then I was on the roads helping them कि उनको घर भेजना है, उनको अपने परिवार वालों से मिलाना है, और उस चक्कर में मैं हमेशा रोड्स पे रहा और उन सबको घर भी भेजा.
That's really great, sir. In this occasion, I would once again that I want to salute
Thank
that whatever you did. And sir, and again I have to ask this because our country, our system, how it works. Especially when somebody is stretching their hand, to help someone. Many things come. It is a package.
Yeah.
Some people say it is like a part for the politics. Some people say
Yeah.
whatever they say. But do you really care them?
If the day you start thinking about them, you can't move forward. You just have to ignore those things and you have to move forward. I've been offered politics from past 10-15 years. Everyone has asked me, but I'm not keen to do it because I enjoy it.
You not at all think it's a platform to reach more people?
But when the time comes, I don't think so it's the right time. I don't want people to feel that, he's helping because he wants to get into politics. I want to prove all those people wrong.
Sir.
No, it's not like that.
Sir.
I want to help people. Now, if I'm not answerable to anyone, I can do anything. I can call anyone. I can send anyone to any state. I can help the way we want it. But when you are in some party or some kind of a political thing, then there are a lot of protocols that you have to follow. So I don't want to follow those protocols. I want to go all out.
Do you really think that you can just go walk on the road? People just
No, I will walk on the road if someone tries to, come to you. You will go them and you'll get some picture. But it's different. A lot of people come. Yesterday they had got some police people also to stop them because a lot of people had come and they got to know that I'm shooting here. At Ramoji Rao Film City also we were shooting, so a lot of people came there also. There also we're getting some liver transplant surgeries done. Some kidney problems are there, so they came. And when they come on the sets, it's very sad and it's very scary to see
But what
those
kind of
problems.
feeling it gives you, sir? Because you've been there, a popular actor. You've been here in Tollywood, Bollywood, everywhere. People loves you for whatever the character you portray. But in this thing, like this is something really different and that gives you immense satisfaction. Of course, I can say
Yeah.
that. How do you see that? Because all the way you're being portraying as antagonist or villain roles, but outside you're being real hero.
I don't know, what you do in the camera is temporary. What you do in real life is permanent. When you change someone's life, that's a permanent impression that you uh, leave on someone's heart. They will always remember all your life. I was connected with almost 7.5 lakh migrants when I was sending them back. 2.5 lakhs, we have sent them personally back to their homes. So every single person whom we have sent to different states, whether it was Odisha, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Telangana, Andhra, any place, everyone is connected with me. They send messages to me, they will put on social media. I know whether I'll be there or not whenever, but I will be a part of their families forever.
Definitely.
I did education, we made almost 2,000 people free scholarships, staying, food. Best of, you talk about MBBS, you talk about BTech, computer science, IS courses, medical, agriculture, a lot of things and all. So when these families will become graduates, they'll do post
The
graduation.
generations will
The
remember you.
generations will, because they're from a poor farm family, they couldn't afford to be a doctor. Okay, Sonu came and made him a doctor. So then this is how it changed. So I want to not do a temporary change or mend it temporarily. I want to make it permanent. So that's why I feel education, medical, all these things are very much needed. And
I should
people need it.
remember now, like the way you're saying that Andhra Pradesh government is thinking in the same lines. Because the day they came into the power, they said the same thing. Like number one, education. Number two,
Yeah.
is a medical thing that to
Right.
reach all the people. This is not a small thing, sir. It's a very huge
Yeah.
and so nice of you that it is not for once like you want to do it like
Right.
until that you are there.
Right.
So after that, like what is the support system you want to build? What kind of ecosystem you want from the government? Are you looking for something like that?
I made this platform called Pravasi Rozgar,
Sir.
on which is providing employment to that. We have given employment to almost 1.5 lakh people in 2.5-3 months. It's growing every single day on a very, very big level. Then I started, which is almost on the final stages, a platform called Ilaj India.
Sir.
So Ilaj India will,
Treat India.
yeah. So it's Ilaj India. The platform will have almost 40 to 50,000 doctors who pledge one free surgery every month throughout their life. So if we have 40-50,000 doctors who will pledge, okay, we'll do one surgery whenever we are free, you send us a patient. So all those patients will register on that Ilaj India, whoever, in maybe UP, Andhra, Telangana, I have kidney problem, I heart problem, this problem, that problem. So they all will be registered, all doctors will be registered. So we will try to map them. Okay, this doctor is specialist in orthopedic surgeon, so this guy needs a knee replacement. So we'll map them. So we'll ask them, okay, doctor so and so, this guy is in UP, he needs a knee replacement. He said, okay, send him on Friday. So that guy will come on Friday and get the free
So
treatment
you're
done.
building a network.
Network. So almost we plan to do that 40-50,000 surgeries every month. So it's going on very good, and just keeping my fingers crossed that we are able to deliver what we say.
So looking back, you were an engineering graduate. After that, a model, then a hero, and a real-time hero. You feel content?
I feel I was destined to do this. I'm from a business family in Punjab, and I became an engineer. Never knew that I'll become an actor. I became an actor. I never knew that I'd do movies in Telugu, Tollywood. I did movies in Tollywood, became popular here also. Never knew that one day this corona will hit this world. And
Do you have an idea how, especially in Tollywood or Telugu people, how do they love you now?
Of course, I love. That's why I'm sitting here with them. I leave my Bollywood movies also for Tollywood movies. A lot of time my directors say, "अरे यार, you're getting so many movies here. इतना अच्छा अच्छा picture आ रहा है हिंदी में, तुम छोड़ के उधर क्यों जाते हो?" I said, that's my first love. I have learned everything from there. So that's why I sacrificed my Bollywood movies also, Hindi movies, and I do movies down south.
What was your better half says me Satimani on the
my my better half is from Telugu only,
so that is the reason.
and she feels really proud, and she feels South has given me a lot. Tollywood has given me a lot. So it's time for me to give back to the society. So that's why I will keep on doing movies here, and I'll keep on entertaining my Telugu audience.
So now that villain roles లో no matter what role you do, people love you.
Hmm.
ఇప్పుడు మీకు వచ్చిన ఈ కొత్త పాపులారిటీ అన్న బికాస్ పాపులారిటీ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ దేర్ బట్ ఈ కొత్త చరిష్మా దట్ కొత్త లవ్ ద న్యూ లవ్ హౌ డు యూ సీ దట్ అండ్ కొత్తగా హీరోగా ఎందుకు చేయకూడదు అని అడిగేవాళ్ళు చాలా మంది ఉంటారు పీపుల్ వాంట్స్ యూ టు డూ యాజ్
I've got many offers. I've already signed 2-3 movies in Hindi also. They're all larger than life hero movies, central protagonist. In Telugu also I'm getting all the hero roles only. All the writers say we can't write any negative roles for you because people will not like it. So yeah, I feel this is a second innings that I'm going to do it. Something that I always wanted to do, but sometimes there's a right time for right thing, and also I feel this is the right time, and I'm really looking forward entertaining people maybe in a different way.
మిమ్మల్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేస్తున్నారు అంటే కనుక ద పీపుల్ వుడ్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ మీ టు ఆస్క్ యూ అబౌట్ యువర్ ఫిట్నెస్
Fitness is something that I love. I never got into fitness because I was an actor. In the college days also I was into fitness, and now I feel it's a blessing that when you are fit, you look good on camera, you look fit on camera, and you inspire people to stay fit. So that's one.
You're addicted to the workouts. That's how
Yeah,
the
it's a
people
part
say.
of my life. I for me there are only 22 hours in a day. Rest 2 hours are only for fitness. I don't count those. No matter how late I pack up here at 2:30 in the night. Still I go and work out.
What is your diet, sir?
I am a vegetarian. I eat very healthy. I eat salads. I eat sprouts. I eat a little bit of rice also. So anything right, organic, and which is a very desi meal which a common man eats. I eat it, but in the right manner, right quantity.
సార్ సినిమా విషయానికి వస్తే చాలా గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఈ కరోనా వల్ల అందరికీ గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది మీరు చేయబోతున్న మూవీస్ ఏంటి ప్రస్తుతం ఇప్పుడు కరోనా ఈ లాక్డౌన్ తర్వాత చేస్తున్నది ఇదే మూవీ శ్రీనివాస్
Yeah.
హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్
It's very good. I did Kandiriga 1.
Yeah.
So Kandiriga was very fun. So it's an extension of Kandiriga. They were initially saying Kandiriga 2 also. So we are finished shooting that movie. That's very good. There's one film with Chiranjeevi Garu called Acharya that I'm shooting now. We just before Corona we had finished one schedule. There's a Hindi movie with Yash Raj films called Prithviraj. So that I'm shooting now. Then there are 2-3 more movies that have come, like I said, in Hindi as positives that we are announcing soon.
Do you have any reservations now but especially at the juncture where you stand now you as your fans think that you cannot do such roles but what is your feeling that
I feel yes. I've done a lot of things that I used to do as negative roles, but now I think there's more of a responsibility on your shoulders to do and choose the roles that you want to do it. And I'm getting also those kind of roles, so I feel there's not going to be very difficult for me to choose the roles that I'm getting from.
so ideally that if I asked you that what kind of a role that you want to portray
I feel something larger than life, something that can connect with the masses, something that can touch the chord of the heart of millions, which I could do in real.
yes
Something that if you can generate that on cinema, it will be massive.
right. What is Sonu Sood's stand on controversy?
I think controversies are something that you shouldn't get bothered with.
Sir.
They are temporary. They sometimes come and they vanish immediately. So you shouldn't think too much about it. You just should keep your focus right. Just keep on helping people, keep on doing good, and forget about the world.
So it touches especially in politics and the films, it touches everyone. And kind of like love you show to the people and the co-actors, it is pretty much evident. And when somebody says that, Sonu Sood shows that male chauvinism, that's why he doesn't want to work with a lady director. How do you see that?
There's no truth behind it because I have done movie with Farah Khan also. So Happy New Year is Farah Khan. She's a lady director. When those statements came, she was laughing. He said, "So are people trying to question my gender? I'm a lady director. You have worked, so it's okay. You don't have to think, and you just have to keep working hard." Yeah.
So Telugu, who do you want to work with? Because kind of creative directors they are coming up with now, especially like Trivikram People love, like, you know,
Yeah.
July, and you know, before that also Puri Jagannath's you
Yeah.
know, various movies. How do you see that? Like, you know, hero, yes, you said that, you know, larger than life characters, but you know, cinema is something that, you know, you can't really just keep on giving messages. You know, besides that entertainment part, like, how do you?
Yeah, well, something masses, massy films, a lot of action, a lot of dancing, a lot of fun, and I think Puri, Trivikram, a lot of they're masters of that, and they know when to call me. But I'm sure there's a lot new breed of directors who are with new ideas and want to experiment, and they also need a platform or a break or a push which can guide them to achieve what as people want to see it. And I'm getting, I would love to support them also.
How do you see that, you know, these days, like, you know, movie industry, they're being tagged with drugs and all. You know, we can't really just, you know, keep calm, like, you know, talking about that. If you ask me that, since you said that very organic, very vegetarian, who's like, you know, very much concentrate on, you know, fitness and all. But, you know, these days, like, you know, the national news is an entire thing, you know.
I would say, you know, that these kind of controversies die on their own. Yeah, they come, people talk on channels, they debate on those channels, and after a few months, it gets died off. As actors, it's very important for us to give a message of fitness, purity. Things should be right because people idolizes you, and I feel that, you know, it's always better to stay away from controversies and spread a message of positivity and oneness and healthy life. Yeah.
Don't you think so? Why is it like industries, like, you know, took like step back? You know, why didn't they come forward and, you know, be vocal about it? Why not?
I think everyone has their own say, but during this pandemic, a lot of things were going on. People were under stress. People were not sure what to do, how to do. They don't know how to tackle the whole pandemic. So yeah, sometimes they react differently. But like I said, you know, it's a very temporary phase which I'll pass too. But yeah, we need to be on our toes, do right, and just keep entertaining people.
అండ్ స్పెషల్లీ దట్, యూనో, కొన్ని ఏరియాస్లో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో మీరు ట్రాక్టర్ లాంటివి ఒక రైతులకి, ఒక ఫార్మర్కి, యూనో, ఖేతీకి వెళ్ళి అబ్జో, యూనో, హెల్ప్ కియా సమ్, యూనో, naturally the political parties try to, you know, own you and, you know, pull you into that. And you know, there was so much of a discussion about that too, but it really careful, you know, before you think about that, you know, who to support and who not. And you know, how is it political thing, that what is your stand on it?
I don't know anything about it, what's happening here, what people think, what people say and all. I knew that there is one family जिसको ज़रूरत था farming के लिए. That whole village is very poor, they needed something and all. I gave a tractor. I got a promise from that farmer that you have to help the whole village. अगर कोई मांगेगा ट्रैक्टर तो उनको देना है और उनको हेल्प करना है. So that's what they are doing it. My intention is to help them. एक बार आप अच्छा काम करो, then don't think about it. भूल जाओ, move next, because there are a lot of people voting. If you think, talk and अरे मैंने ट्रैक्टर दिया, मैंने बहुत अच्छा किया, मैंने ये किया, you think what people are saying, what not saying, so you will get stuck there. By the time those people are busy in their debates, you have done 10 more things, you have saved 10 more lives. So you have to move ahead and keep on doing it. Why to think about
You've
it?
won so many awards for your performance in the movie industry. When you get this STG from, you know, United Nations, when the government referred your name, so how did you?
You know, you feel very special. I think that builds your faith that you're doing something right in life. You know, a platform like United Nations organizes
Not
you.
an easy, sir.
So I feel somewhere my mother and father up from heavens are doing the trick. They are praying for me. They are guiding me right, and still miles to go, but the journey is on.
IAS officer also, you've been, you know, stretching your helping hand. This is like, you know that what kind of you know, system they work in, and you know, what kind of change they would bring into the society. And you know, you being standing there and, you know, helping them to become IAS officer, which is not at all a small thing. And how does it go?
I feel this country needs some great IAS officers. We still have many more, but
Because you know, just to read that article, it looks very simple, sir. But you know, as you say, when you create IAS officer, when you say that there is so much need of, you know, those officials in Indian system, they can bring you know, immense change to the society. And is it like back in the mind that, you know, you've been thinking about this, or you just?
No, I know that. When I support a lot of education thing, I know that a lot of people are approaching me for IAS preparations, training, courses. They don't have books, nothing there. So I know there's a huge lot of people. That's the time I started, you know, making notes that how I can support all these IAS officers or the aspiring people who want to get into IS. So that's my homework, and I'm glad that I'm finally able to do it.
Is there any trust kind of thing that coming up, coming days?
I've just formed a trust because I was doing so much, and I thought that for a long term I need to come with. So I made a foundation called Sood Foundation. But like I said, it's just a beginning and miles to go, and the journey will be on.
So what do you think that Telugu Tollywood stars, they would come up with some star like mega star, like rebel star and all. Sonu Sood, when he comes, become hero here. So what do you think?
I don't know. Someone registered some fan club. So I forgot. There's something like that. Only they make it. The real some superstar, megastar, some kind of thing they made it, which was very amusing to hear. But I think it's always better to be a common man.
Yeah, it touches hearts. So that is
Yeah.
why they come up with. And any plans to move to Hyderabad?
Hyderabad is just an hour away. I can just catch the flight and come anytime. That's I've been doing all these years. So yeah, it's my home, and I love.
Yeah. So Punjab में आप दशहरा कैसे मनाते थे?
Punjab में I think it's all the family get together. We used to have it, but during Corona, मालूम नहीं कैसे करेंगे. I will be shooting at the time, but yeah, the wishes are there with us.
Thank you. So we would
Thank
want you to give wishes to all our Sakshi viewers.
Yeah, so just want to tell everyone, this is Sonu Sood. Want to wish all the viewers of Sakshi TV happy Dussehra, happy Diwali, a happy New Year. Have a great year ahead. आपका आने वाला साल बहुत ही खुशियों भरा हो. आप हमेशा खुश रहें, खूब तरक्की करें और आपकी फैमिली सेफ रहे. God bless you. A big hug to everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thanks,
so we
sir.
wish you just keep on like doing what you're doing now, and God blesses you more, sir, so that you would help millions of people of India.
Thank you so much. Sir.
Thank you so much
Thanks,
for
sir.
being with us, sir.
Thank you.